When an industrial machine is actively tearing itself apart, the immediate aftermath looks the same: twisted metal, blaring alarms, and safety protocols that seemingly vanished into thin air. The immediate reaction from management usually follows a predictable script. They look for the person standing closest to the wreckage, the operator who pushed the wrong button or missed a warning light, and assign the blame. Safety investigators, however, treat that final error as the starting line rather than the finish. They begin digging through the surrounding environment, looking for the specific factors that made such a mistake possible in the first place. To map exactly how that breakdown happens, investigators rely on a framework developed by psychologist James Reason, known as the Swiss cheese model. This model illustrates that a catastrophic event does not stem from a single isolated mistake. It is the mathematical result of multiple hidden organizational flaws aligning at exactly the wrong moment. This diagram outlines Reason's framework. The rear slices represent latent conditions, dormant flaws like budget cuts or deferred maintenance that can sleep in a system for years. The front slice represents the active failure, the immediate, visible mistake that sparks the disaster. Crucially, the holes in these slices do not sit still. Because organizations are complex, living entities, these vulnerabilities are dynamic, opening, closing, and shifting as personnel changes, equipment ages, and priorities evolve. A system only fails when all these shifting organizational weaknesses line up perfectly with a momentary human error. Let's look at how this plays out on a factory floor with a fatal lockout tagout or LOTO procedure failure, where a machine is supposed to be fully de-energized before maintenance. The disaster starts months earlier, when management cuts the maintenance budget. This pressures a stressed supervisor to rush a fatigued technician. Finally, the exhausted technician skips a mandatory safety check. The hazard clears all defenses. When mapped this way, the final human error is revealed as the expected output of the system's design. The lack of equipment, management pressure, and physical fatigue converge to create a path of least resistance, leading straight to the failure. The standard response to an event like this is to fire the technician. It creates a neat, closed case file and the illusion that the problem has been solved. But punishing the final actor leaves the budget deficits, the toxic supervision, and the crushing shift schedules completely intact. The latent conditions remain wide open, waiting for the next technician to encounter this same hazard. This is why the core mandate of certified safety professionals is to stop reacting to the symptom and start hunting for latent conditions. When those dormant management flaws are ignored, the results scale up to catastrophic levels, as seen in the 1986 Challenger disaster. Tools like routine safety walks, anonymous near-miss reporting, and rigorous audits exist specifically to find and patch those management-level holes long before a hazard ever reaches the fact. Structural approach ensures that even when a single hole opens, the system remains intact. Evaluate your own organization's slices in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.